Hello St Albans letting agents, my name is Tom from Podscape and I would love just 1 minute of your time, and for that 1 minute I'm going to give you some money. Does that sound fair enough? If so, hold tight. Okay, what I want to talk to you about is what it is that we do. But first I want to talk to you really quickly about why it is we do what we want to do. And I'm going to use your business as an example. So imagine your business as a letting agent is a funnel. Okay, at the beginning of the funnel is the input, okay, which is properties that you want to get on your books, okay, and filled with tenants. Okay, so that's the beginning of your funnel. The output of your funnel is cash money, okay? And we want as much cash money in that hose pipe so we can spray it around everywhere and buy Ferraris, okay? Unfortunately for us, there is a middle part to that funnel, okay, which is the service part of the business, which is really unfortunate because that's the bit that really pisses off all letting agents, actually having to deal with tenants and problem solving and getting construction workers into properties to repair stuff, relaying information to landlords. You know the business. It's a pain in the arse and you wish you didn't have to do it, and you wish you could just get the properties on the books and take the cash, okay? Unfortunately, if you squeeze any part of that hose pipe, it affects what comes out at the other end, okay? So if we squeeze the beginning part of the hose pipe, like as if it was full of water, less water would come out the other end because it's backing up, okay? If we squeeze the middle part of the hose pipe, less water can go into the middle part of the hose pipe, so it's backing up and we're getting less coming out the other end. Okay, so what we want to do is have a perfectly fluid hose pipe, okay? That's equal all the way through with no constriction anywhere in the hose pipe. So we can just expand the hose pipe in girth, okay, to get as much in and as much out of it as possible. So what we want to do is take the middle part of your hose pipe, the service part of your hose pipe, and take it off your hands. So you don't have to do anything with that. So you can fully focus on generating new properties, getting new assets into your business and taking the cash flow and the bottom line revenue from that. So how we would do that is if you have any issues with any tenants, if there is work that needs doing in any property or anything like that, rather than you having to deal with it, you'd speak to your tenant and your landlord and explain that we are your management partner and we'll take it over from there. What we do is we are a dedicated management partner. And what we do is we will speak to the landlord, explain what it is that's happened and why, explain how it needs to be fixed, and then we will then speak to the tenant, assure them that it will be fixed as soon as humanly possible, but we need to get a couple of contractors in there to look and evaluate what the repair costs will be. We'll have this happen extremely quickly, okay, within 48 hours of anything going wrong, unless it's a leak or gas or something like that, which will happen instantly on that day. But anything else within 48 hours, we will have several quotes ready to give to the landlord to make a decision. We'll then get the landlord to make the decision. We'll hire the contractors, get the guys in there. We'll speak to the tenant, the whole lot. We'll arrange the whole thing, and then we'll pay the guys. Then what we'll do is we will invoice you as the agent for the total amount of the job. The whole way through, we'll keep you updated with everything that happens. We have now got an online portal, so we can just update everybody all in real time, so everyone knows exactly what process we're at. So all you have to do is press the button, you can see what's going on. Okay, then what happens is we actually will pay you a percentage of the profit that we make. Okay, so we're going to be very open and show you the paperwork, everything that we made in terms of profit, our profit, you take a percentage of that, anything up to £2,000, which is quite a bulk of money that can come back your way. So not only are we taking the middle part of your pipeline out so you can more aggressively target growth and getting more assets in and getting more money out, we can take all that crap off your hands so you don't have to do it anymore, okay? If that sounds like a pretty cool idea, get in contact. I'd love to pop in, say hello. We could have a telephone conversation, or if you're really shy, we could do it via email, or even WhatsApp if you like, and see if we can help you within your business. I'm not asking you to give me your entire portfolio right now. All I'm asking is that you give us a shot. Give us a job, whatever it is. Okay, let us manage it from start to finish and see if you're impressed with it. See if it's taken time off of your hands. See if money comes back from it that you can then take back into your business. It's a win-win situation, and if you don't try it, you don't know. So all I'm asking is that you give us a shot and see how we go. If the relationship works, then we can expand it and grow it, okay? The reason why we want to do such a good job and the reason why we actually want to pay you is because we want you to talk to every agent that you meet down the pub and tell them how cool we are, okay? So that we generate more leads coming into our business, okay? Because that's our focus right now, okay? So thank you very much for your time, and press the button and we'll hook up, we'll have a chat, or you can press the button below and actually submit a lead to us. Make sure you remember to tell your landlord and your tenant that we'll be in contact with them, and we'll take it all over. Thanks very much, guys. Take care. Enjoy your day.